Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's AXS update for is it Monday? Yeah, Monday 9th of May. Right, so here after a very long time. Okay, so right now at this point of time we do have so many people who are very fearful in the market, and I just want to talk about how I don't know why the hell did I draw this downside to the 14 level. And there's a reason I draw that, but I just don't know why I draw it. Anyway, it's been a long time actually. I haven't watched the charts lately. So the last time that I remember, we talked about AXS coming down to this level, to the 26, and we met the technical target. So the technical target is actually put and done. Okay, everything is said and done. So here we are. But what's next? Okay, what's next? I'm on the daily time frame here, and on the daily time frame, it seems like you're now moving sideways, and after meeting the technical target, you are moving sideways. Something that is very well thought right now is that a stop loss makes sense to be put down here at the 26.6 level, but we've been very oversold. The RSI looks really down, and we do have some sort of a divergence as well, like what do you call this, bullish divergence? Yeah, we do have a little bit of a bullish divergence. You can even make the fact that it actually did play out. So the candlesticks they're actually printing are not really bad. They're actually quite good. Tomorrow is Tuesday. We have already started the new week today. I'm not really expecting a downtrend anytime soon at the moment, but if it's gonna be a downtrend if you start to take out the last week right over there. So even if you take the last week, it could be a very quick week for the stop loss hunting. Be careful, because stop loss hunting out there, what you want to see for AXS is actually go below 26 and break it, backtest and fail, and that's it, because this is a huge level of support that you have right over there. So I'm just going to leave it like that. So the next pull to the upside is going to be based on the EMAs. There is a good chance probably that you could still go to the 20 EMA and you can backtest the 20 EMA. So the 20 EMA right now is currently placed at the price of nearly $35.4, which actually did go up there. So there is a squeeze happening, okay? So this squeeze of the EMAs and the support to the downside is like this, okay? So look at that. The 10 EMAs coming in, and the apex comes down by 13th of May. So my expectations are, I don't know, the pop to the upside is way more favorable to me, okay? A little bit of a relief, because everyone is bearish right now. Everyone is going to try to short AXS and many other different coins because of how Bitcoin is behaving. And do watch the Bitcoin update on the channel, because it's going to serve the future for what is about to happen to AXS. Now, I've told you about the scenarios. Let's say time will tell. The time is ticking. And I'm going to sit back, relax, and just watch what the hell is happening to every single coin out there. So let's hope for the best. But anyway, get prepared for the worst as well. And that's it for the update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.